Hi, I'm Cameron Nicol from EdTech Pro, and I'm going to show you another cool feature within Google Photos. So we'll open up Photos and we'll scroll down to an image. Now the image I'm interested in is in this vase of flowers. I'm really interested to know what that main flower is in the middle there. So I can click on Google Lens and it will scan the image, and it'll look for text or particular key features, and it's identified that flower as Lily Stargazer, which is really quite clever. The problem is, what if I want to know what these flowers are off to the side? It doesn't identify them. Or if I wanted to identify what this vase was down the bottom, it doesn't identify it. So it is a bit of a blunt instrument. It will identify the main feature in the middle. I tried using this on a picture of my niece in a bear costume, and it identified her as a shoe. So it's worth having a crack at and worth having a go at, but you're not necessarily going to get the exact results you want. If you've got something very clear and specific, it may be of use to you. So I hope that's of use. See you later.